Sheesh, what is up guys? It's FX Brandon here again. Now in this video, I'm going to be minorly going over trend trading and Dogecoin and kind of why I decided to get in and inform you guys on how you guys should definitely be hopping on trends when it comes to trend trading. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. Definitely a bunch of educational content on the channel that I think you guys would love. Now, if you know me, I am a foreign exchange trader. However, when I see opportunities like this, I definitely take advantage of them. Same with GameStop. Now, this is why I like Dogecoin and made this video, trend trading, so that you guys can kind of see that what kind of advantage you can be taking of, things that happen like this when things are hyped up so much. So just like GameStop, when we had those major pumps, same thing happened to Dogecoin. Obviously, this is due to the amount of publicity it is creating. Elon Musk tweeting, companies involving, Dogecoin into their sales campaign. I mean, it was boosting their sales. It was just huge. There was so much hype around Dogecoin. It was like a no-brainer for me not to get in because I was expecting these huge pumps. Now, that's kind of why I mainly decided to get in, just because of how much hype there was around it. Now, as far as my entries go, I'm going to be giving you guys those right now, so don't get bored of the numbers. I got in at around 6-7 cents was my initial entry, and then I ended up selling at around 13.5 cents when I saw these major resistance lines on a very small time frame. Now, quickly informing you guys, so you know, when it comes to charts breaking new highs or all-time lows, you need to realize you do need to make decisions based off a very small time frame because there is no historical evidence to support this from the past. As you guys know, I trade institutionally. A lot of the things that I use is from supporting data from the past. Now, as far as this goes, I ended up getting back in at around 11.7 cents, which was the accumulation of price. And then obviously as soon as we broke those highs at 14.5 cents, my stops did go to break even. Now, as soon as we had that impulse to 19 cents, I did expect a little retracement, which is why I got back in and had a buy limit set at 18 cents. So I got back in over there, and then boom, this is when we had the major pushes to 30 cents and 45 cents. Obviously at this point my stops are all break even, everything's running risk free. Just because of how much we have pumped, I did not expect price to come that far down low. Now, asking me why I didn't continue to get into it was simply because I was at the gym and sleeping. I just didn't have the time to look at the charts and get in or analyze all this other stuff. However, when we did have the major dip to 23 cents, I could have gotten back in, but I didn't have enough buying power in my Robinhood account, and this is simply because I do not use Robinhood. I hate Robinhood. I think they are retarded. Obviously, I just used them just so that I could trade Dogecoin, because you can publicly trade Dogecoin on there. Now, here is the Robinhood account. Obviously, we are sitting at around $8,725, which is when I exited at 39 cents, just because of the major resistance lines that we had created there. Obviously, if you guys know, like I said, I'm an institutional trader. Don't really use support and resistance, but just for educational and making things a little easier for you guys to understand, I'm gonna go ahead and use them. So we were having major resistance points at those price areas, and that's kind of why I decided to sell. Now, I was pretty happy with the decision that I made, as price did end up dipping to around 27 cents as soon as I sold. Now, as far as that goes, those are all the price points and how I made around $6,000 on the account. However, guys, as far as the future goes, I do not see Dogecoin sustaining itself in the future, simply for the fact that I think this is all hype. I do think we're going to see some major dips shortly in the near future. If it's today, tomorrow, or in a week from now, whenever it is, I do think we're going to see some major dips in Dogecoin. Obviously, another factor in me buying was everybody thinking that price is going to go so high, so they keep buying in at all these different levels. Keep boosting price to the upside of Dogecoin going to $1 on 420, which is the recording date of this video. I don't see it happening, but definitely took advantage of it. I am done trading Dogecoin now. Unless I do see it break these all-time highs, I probably will get in again for a short ride. But that's pretty much it. Kind of just wanted to show you guys the power of trend trading and what you can be doing when it comes to taking advantage of big pumps like this, like I did. So definitely wanted to throw that out there. Now, like I said, don't see it sustaining itself. I do think it's going to dump, but that kind of sums it up. Now, if you guys had any questions or just want to throw any comments, go ahead and do it in the comment section or hit me up on my Instagram, DM me with whatever feedback it is you have. Now, without further ado, that kind of sums everything up. No risk, no change, baby, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys. Sheesh.